What is going on, guys? Crypto Matrix here, coming at you another cryptocurrency stream. And for those of you who don't know me, I'm a professional leverage trader and instructor, and I make my living trading cryptocurrency with some serious efficiency. If you want to learn how to trade better, head right over to the website, get signed up. Links are below and above. And for those of you who want the little additive edge in the trading field, you got to follow me on my other socials as well, guys. I got a TikTok and Instagram going now. It can really help you guys make better trades. Today I wanted to talk about the Bitcoin price and which way we're going to be leaning and the patterns and what's going to happen in the Bitcoin price. And I also want to talk about Electroneum, guys. If you are not subscribed yet, definitely smash that subscribe button, smash that like button, and I'm going to dive right into the price action. Alright guys, so let's just start with Bitcoin here. We've had a lot of chaining opportunity through these several patterns here, and many patterns which have played out very nicely here, and just lots of gains to be had. Let me know in the comments if you've been catching all of these trades. And guys, right now we're looking at a slightly bullish situation. For instance, we have an ascending wedge on a medium pattern size and chains right into a descending wedge with the stotch being loaded up on the 4 hour. So for instance, let's just go down to the 1 hour and check it out a little bit closer here. And as you can see right above my head here, I'm going to move this over, that we're kind of just touching the 200 here, and there's been brief moments of oversold territory like right here. But for instance, what I mean oversold as well is in the Bollinger Bands here, coming down below the bottom band. So for instance, I'm actually expecting a little bit of a bounce here as we're running into also another support right here. So I'm thinking we're going to kind of move sideways for a minute. For instance, we're having a decrease in volume right now, which means that we're going to have kind of a sideways movement in simplicity, unless we get some massive green bars in and volume following right behind it, surpassing the moving average. Okay, so a sideways movement and then probably a retest of support and then a bounce towards retest of resistance, guys. And how I want you guys to play this is measure from the back using wedge theory in this moment, okay, and then to the point of breakout, whichever way it goes, okay. Follow down to target projection and then close that trade, guys, and then on to the next one. And that's exactly what I'm looking at for Bitcoin. And let's go up to the bigger time frames quick just to get an idea of what could happen here. And guys, we're still kind of just working this big descending wedge right here. We need to kind of bump back up off of this, what was polar resistance, now support, retest the resistance of this pattern and start to work back towards the 100 estimated moving average and the 200, and then eventually retest reverse pressure, guys. And when we retest reverse pressure, that's a real good sign that we're out of the woods and kind of heading into at least the expansion phase that I've been talking about, guys. This is just part of the plan for Bitcoin. And if you guys aren't familiar with the Bitcoin halving, there's 647 days until the halving. When the halving happens, the Bitcoin reward will be decreased from 6.25 to 3.125. And these are optimal opportunities to really capitalize and know when the parabolic run-up is going to happen. But let's jump right over to Electroneum. So guys, this is probably the most popular coin on my page right now, and for many good reasons. Real quick, we're still working through this giant descending wedge right here, and what's really nice is the inverse head and shoulders is playing out very nicely right here. For instance, we could get a breaking of the shoulder right now, guys, and that would be a very excellent opportunity for a short. See if you can capitalize on that by watching for an indication play, for instance, crossing the road, go down to smaller time frames, and that way you can actually see when to make this entry, okay? But use the 7 and the 20 crossing, for instance, like on the 5 minute, okay? Let's get this to load here, okay? So for instance, we have had a crossing down. Now watch for the bounce if we get a good bounce off of the support, in which case if we break this support here, look for a short. If we break a resistance, go for a nice little long, or just look for accumulation in oversold territory, guys. I think Electroneum is going to move right along with the pack like many other coins, and I think we're going to get some much better times for this coin, but there could be some more chop headed before we enter into expansion phase. Notice here we have barbell theory playing out as we speak, moving sideways, and then we'll probably get a move right around here, guys. So keep your eyes open for that over the next few days. That's when the move will be happening. And if we do break to the upside, ride its estimated moving average, and target projection. And that is all the time I have for today, guys. Just incredible times in crypto. If you are not making money, guys, that is what the student program is for. Sign up today. People are making hand over fist cash in this program, and it's a real beautiful thing understanding the technicals. It's something I wish I would have done since I was a child. It would have availed me a lot of ease of access and understanding, and just making things very much more simple like they are now. And let's be real, guys, the whole world is struggling. The market is burning. You know, lots of things are bad right now, and you know, I'm still doing well, so things are good. And guys, if you want to make these gains, you have to learn the knowledge to do so. Just remember, if you don't come from a rich family must come from you. I am Crypto Matrix. I'll catch you guys later.
Audio Jungle. Audio Jungle.